Hello and welcome gentlemen, how are you? Thank you for showing love and affection towards my previous video. Gentlemen, I am very thankful to you that you watched my video and some of you liked and shared also and subscribed my channel. Gentlemen, today we will talk about the first day of our SSB, that is screening day. Gentlemen, the screening day you will face 4 exams which will be divided into 2 parts, that is first is OIR and second is PP and DT. Let's talk about the OIR. OIR is Officers Intelligence Rating. It includes 2 tests. First one is verbal and second is non-verbal. Gentlemen, you will face 2 papers there, and the first paper will include 40 questions and 17 minutes will be given to you to complete that question paper. After that, gentlemen, you will be given a new question paper which includes 50 questions and 27 minutes will be given to you to complete that question paper. After that, gentlemen, you will have a small rest and you will be called for PP and DT. Gentlemen, first of all, you will be shown a picture and it is really hazy, so you have to perceive your idea very carefully and you have to go towards a positive side. Gentlemen, you will be given total 5.30 seconds, which means 5 minutes and 30 seconds. First 30 seconds will be given to you to see the picture and perceive your idea. Next 1 minute will be given to you to mark the character and mood and their gender. After that, the remaining 4 minutes will be given to you to write the story. Gentlemen, always keep in mind that you have to perceive the correct idea. Please don't go with your predetermined idea, because if you will go with predetermined idea, you will not be able to write a good story and there will be a 90% chance that you will be out on the first day. Then gentlemen, after writing your story, you will be called out of the room and you will be distributed in groups. Generally, in a group there are 10 to 15 champs, and after that you will be called by one by one. After that, when you will reach in, the group will be on the chairs, and gentlemen, you will be asked to narrate your story one by one, and after the narration you will have a group discussion. The main motto of the group discussion is to reach on a common story. Gentlemen, you will be given around 5 to 10 minutes for the group discussion and you have to reach on a common story. After that, one of you will narrate the group story and the assessors will ask for thank you and you will left the room. Gentlemen, you will go for a lunch and after that the result will be announced. The persons or the candidates who pass the screening will be called and the remaining ones will be dropped at the gate again. Gentlemen, keep in mind that you are going for the SSB, so please take a proper instructions as well. Gentlemen, go with your all proper documentation as well as corona negative certificate and keep smiling and be confident, because everyone there are for the first time and the freshers will be kept aside and will have a different group. So you don't have to worry that you will be kept with fresher means screen out or a repeater. You will have your own different group and you have to perform there. Gentlemen, the key to success is your confidence as well as your narration, and keep in mind that everyone is new and you have to perform your description as well as narration properly so that the assessors will be impressed and you will get a chance to live there for 4 more days and you have a good presentation or the assessors like you, then you will be recommended. But gentlemen, please keep in mind that your confidence will show you a positive side of yours and the assessors will be very impressed by your confidence as well as narration. So gentlemen, don't try to be overconfident. Just be yourself and write what you have, the first idea in your PPDT, as well as be friendly with your other group partners because they are also a part of your group. and the GTO sees that how you control your group or how you talk to your group. So it is also important that how you talk to your group and let them to a common story. Gentlemen, all the best for your screening day, and I wish you get selected on the screening day as well as get recommended from your SSB centers. As well as, gentlemen, if you are screened out, if I am not saying that you will be screened out, but if you are screened out, don't be in a tensed mood. It is okay because there are a lot of candidates and they select only 10 to 12% of the total. Gentlemen, so just be yourself and perform well, and I think you will be selected and you will get recommended. Okay, gentlemen, so let's have this video, and gentlemen, share this video with your friends as well as the candidates who are going for the SSB, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. As well as, gentlemen, next video will be based on why the candidates get screened out on the first day. I will include all the valid reasons and talk to you and how to counter them on the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you, gentlemen, and all the best for your SSBs.